Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open our hood, go inside, pull the release, reach under the hood, find the secondary release, or safety as it's called, and lift it up. And we'll put the prop rod, it's got two holes, you can either open it this way, or for more room you can open it this way. Gonna raise and support the vehicle. We'll have our drain pan ready to catch the oil. The drain plug is right here. It's actually stamped on the bottom of the engine here. It says engine oil. Use a 17mm box wrench to loosen this. And we'll just let that drain out. It's drained out well enough. We'll reinstall the drain plug. This is aluminum, so make sure it threads in nicely. Don't want to cross thread it. Take a wrench, snug it up. You don't want to over tighten it. You can break the aluminum oil pan. Feels good there. Let's clean up oil. Now it's time to remove the filter. Use the oil filter wrench, an extension, and a ratchet. So just find the appropriate oil filter socket. This one is a 65 to 68. And you just kind of slide them over there. Shouldn't take much to take them off. The drain pan ready. You can actually unhook the extension and it'll start to drain down. Just let that drain out a little bit. Just spin it out. Just gonna make sure that the gasket that comes on the filter, the old one did not stay stuck, and it's not there, which is good. So you can take some of this oil that's here, we'll rub it on the new gasket, and then just thread this up. Let's get this nice and hand tight. That's good. I'll take a rag, or if you've got it, some brake parts cleaner, and just clean up there and get rid of the oil that you spilled. This way, if there's any oil leaks, you'll be able to tell. Remove our oil cap. It actually has the oil weight listed on it. Owner's manual will have the amount. In our case, it's about it's 3.9 quarts. So we're gonna put 4 quarts in. Gonna have to wedge our funnel in here a little bit. So this jug is 5 quarts. So I'm gonna pour it so the only oil that's left is at this line here. All right, so we got 4 quarts. I'll take our funnel out, have a rag, wipe up any extra oil. Don't forget to replace your oil cap. it down tight. Check our oil level on the dipstick. Take it out, wipe it off, put it back in, and we'll take it out again. And see we've got the correct amount of oil in it. It's right at the top of those hash marks. When we're all done, we'll close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.